is abstraction. Let's take an example of abstraction, that is AC or any computing device. I am going to start with AC. For AC, that means air conditioning device. For that we have an interface, that is remote. Remote is telling us 10 to 20 features that we need to operate that AC for the functionality of the AC. We need not to know the details, that technical details or the coding part behind the chip, that how is chip formed, how is AC formed, how the body is there, connected is there, connections are there. So we need not to know that details. So the abstraction is one of the main concept of the Java programming, that it is not showing the technical part, that is coding part, how the coding is done in the computing devices. We just need the essential important features for the functionality of that particular computing device. Similar is the case with TV. We have a remote with us. We have to click on that keypad and we can use the TV. Mobile, we have keypad, we can have a touch screen also. Microwave oven is there, like any other computing machines are there. Washing machine is there. So these computing or these electronic devices showing us abstraction process. That means only essential features are shown to us, not the technical or the coding details are given to us. Thank you. And on page number 7 of your book, you can read the benefits and drawbacks of OOPS. That OOPS is very easy to use for beginners also. It help us to design the real world objects in the software also. It is data centric. Data centric means it focus on data security rather than the procedures to be followed. It emphasizes on data security, that data should not be leaked in any case. Information hiding is same as data. Information is the important part, that is the computed data, that is also hidden from all the users. If any user is having access, only then he can use the information, otherwise no. Data abstraction already defined. Data abstraction means only essential details are visible to the user without showing the technical background detail. Technical means how the device is formed, how the connections are there, what is there in chip. Chip is an electronic device on which the circuits are there, so we need not to know that what is there on the chip. So this is abstraction part. And last is, that is drawbacks of OOPS. Drawback of OOPS means it is not good at representing non-object. Non-object means emotional things like kindness, cruelty. We need not to define in the software, because as robots are there, so they are helping us in any feature but not in emotions. So it is the drawback of any language, that we cannot show our emotions to the computer. So this is the drawback. And one is lot of planning and expertise are required before the actual programming. So planning should be there, and expertise means we need to have good software programmers so as to implement the design patterns in the programming. That's all about the chapter. And you can start with objective type question. These are the objective type answers. You will get to know once the session is over. I'll be sending you answers for this objective type, plus solved questions are there, and try to solve these very short answers. These are very simple. In case you have any doubt, we'll be discussing online only, right? I'll be sending the answers of these short answers. Thank you.